In the world of photography, precision and speed make the difference. With the start of 2025, Nikon is making a strong comeback to redefining what's possible in photography. From high-performance professional cameras to versatile smart devices, today we'll take you on a tour of Nikon's most powerful cameras of 2025. Discover which camera deserves the title of Best this year. 5. For the Nikon Z50 II. The Nikon Z50 II comes with two lenses, the Nikon ZDX 16-50mm and Nikon ZDX 50-250mm, offering a professional photography experience in a lightweight and portable design. The camera features a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering rich, detailed images of higher quality than smartphone cameras. Lenses and their functions. The 16-50mm lens is ideal for everyday photography, travel, and wide landscapes, while the 50-250mm lens gives you a greater zoom range for photographing distant subjects, such as animals, sporting events, or landscapes. Having both video and performance, the camera supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second and slow-motion full HD video at up to 120 frames per second with electronic image stabilization and live streaming support, making it ideal for content creators and bloggers. Colors and presets. The camera offers 31 built-in color modes that can be activated with the push of a button. You can also download new modes from the Nikon Cloud or create your own for a unique artistic touch. Connect and share. With the SnapBridge app and cloud connectivity, you can quickly and easily send photos and videos directly to your phone or the cloud, making it easy to share or edit content instantly. Design and size. The Z50 II is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in a small bag or while traveling. It's the perfect camera for everyday use, thanks to its lightness and ease of handling. 4. For the Nikon Z5. The Nikon Z5 II is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers looking to advance to a professional level, with balanced performance between stills and video, powered by the EXP7 processor and advanced intelligent subject recognition technologies. Specifications. The camera features a 24.5-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and the EXP7 processor, which delivers high-quality images, significantly improved sensitivity, reduced noise, and faster overall performance. Thanks to the new processor, it can shoot continuously at up to 30 frames per second, and its ISO sensitivity range is wide, from 100 to 64,000, with the ability to expand it if needed. The autofocus system can accurately detect and track up to 9 different subject categories, such as people, birds, animals, cars, bicycles, and aircraft, even in low light. It also offers up to 7.5 stops of optical image stabilization to help achieve shake-free images during slow-motion shooting. It features a bright and clear electronic viewfinder with up to 3,000 lumens of illumination, making it easy to see in bright environments. It also has 2 UHS-2 SD card slots, an important feature for videographers and still shooters. It supports 4K video recording with high frame rate options. User benefits. The full-frame sensor delivers richly detailed images and a wide dynamic range with clear background separation, making it ideal for portraits and landscapes. Shooting speeds of up to 30 frames per second with smart tracking ensure sharp shots of fast-moving subjects such as sports, animals, and children. 4K video support makes it an excellent choice for content creators combining photos and videos. Cloud connectivity and the SnapBridge app make it easy to automatically transfer images or quickly upload them to your phone or the cloud for faster workflow and instant sharing. Key features: stunning full-frame image quality with an excellent balance of price and performance. The EXP7 processor delivers significant improvements in speed, focus, and noise reduction. The bright electronic viewfinder delivers a professional viewing experience even in bright sunlight. Cloud connectivity makes sharing easier for both professional and amateur photographers. Two high-speed UHS-2 memory slots provide high reliability while working with video or still photography. 3. For the Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is a flexible, full-frame professional camera aimed at photographers and videographers seeking the perfect balance between stills and professional video. It features internal raw video recording at up to 6K at 60 FPS and uses a 24.5 megapixel sensor with the advanced EXP-ED7 processor, which delivers fast performance, intelligent focusing, and high image quality. Specifications: the camera features a 24.5 megapixel, partially stacked full-frame sensor and the EXP-ED7 processor, which enables faster sensor readout, enabling features such as pre-shooting before the shutter button is pressed and ultra-fast burst shooting. The sensitivity range is ISO 100 to 64,000 with powerful noise reduction improvements. The autofocus system relies on artificial intelligence to track 9 different subject categories, such as people, birds, and cars, with greater accuracy and speed than previous versions. The camera supports internal and raw video recording at 6K resolution at 60 frames per second, as well as 4K video at up to 120 frames per second and full HD video at up to 240 frames per second for slow motion video, ideal for filmmakers and professional content creators. It also features in-body optical image stabilization, OIS, for excellent stability when using slow shutter speeds. The high-resolution, high-illumination electronic viewfinder provides clear viewing in sunlight, and the rotating touchscreen facilitates shooting from various angles. The camera features 2 memory slots that support CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2 cards for fast and efficient file storage. The rugged body is designed to withstand weather conditions and operate in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. Key features: professional video performance at 6K RAW and 4K 120p resolution gives it a clear advantage for video creators. The EXP-ED7 processor and micro-stacked sensor deliver fast readout and more accurate focusing. The bright and accurate electronic viewfinder facilitates shooting in bright light. The presence of 2 fast card slots with optical stabilization makes it very practical for shooting long events or high-resolution videos. 2. For the Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is a full-frame hybrid professional camera that combines the power of photography and cinematic videography. It features a powerful 45.7 megapixel sensor and an EXP-ED7 processor capable of high-speed data processing and internal video recording up to 8K at 60 frames per second. It is a compact version of the giant Z9, offering most of its technologies in a smaller and lighter body. Specifications: the camera features a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor with an EXP-ED7 processor, delivering fast performance and exceptional quality. It supports internal video recording in NRAW format up to 8K at 60 FPS and 4K video at up to 120 FPS in ProRes and 12-bit ProRes RAW. The autofocus system is based on deep intelligence and can recognize 9 subject categories, such as people, birds, and cars, with precise 3D tracking. Even in very low light, as low as -9 EV, the camera supports continuous shooting at an impressive speed of up to 120 frames per second, with a pre-shot feature before pressing the shutter button, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving events. It also features an in-body optical image stabilization (IBIS) system that effectively reduces vibration when shooting handheld. The camera features a non-interruptible electronic viewfinder and a 2- or 4-axis movable screen for easy shooting at difficult angles or while vlogging. It comes with 2 memory slots that support CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2 cards for efficiently storing large video and RAW files. The body is designed to withstand harsh conditions, with temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, and offers excellent weather resistance. Professional features internal cinematic quality video recording up to 8K 60p and RAW with ProRes support delivers stunning professional quality footage. A 45.7 MP sensor delivers high sensitivity and superior resolution for still images. An intelligent autofocus system based on deep learning algorithms tracks subjects with amazing accuracy. The non-interruptible electronic viewfinder delivers a realistic and comfortable shooting experience. The body is durable and compact, with performance on par with the giant Z9, but with less weight and greater portability. 1. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is a flagship full-frame mirrorless camera fit for professional photographers and filmmakers. It delivers exceptional image quality, high-speed performance, and cinematic 8K video, all in a rugged, professional body. Key technical specifications: sensor and processor. 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor paired with the EXP7 processor for blazing fast performance. Continuous shooting. Capture 45.7 MP images at 20 to 30 FPS or 120 FPS at 11 MP with full AF, AE, and zero blackout. Autofocus system. Deep learning-based AF recognizes multiple subjects, people, animals, vehicles, and more automatically. Video capabilities. Record internally in 8K 30p for over 2 hours, or 4K 120p, with ProRes and H.265 options. Supports Nikon's efficient high-efficiency RAW format. Smaller files, same quality. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, ensures shake-free images and stable handheld video shooting. Memory and connectivity. Dual fast slots, CFX Type B, SD UHS 2, and pro-grade transfer options. Build quality. Magnesium alloy body. Weather-sealed and reliable in harsh environments. Real-world performance. High detail and dynamic range. 45.7 megapixel resolution gives unmatched detail and flexibility for large prints and heavy cropping. Fast action capture. Perfect for sports, wildlife, and journalism. Tracks and freezes motion with incredible precision. Cinematic video production. Long 8K recording and 4K 120p slow motion enable full-scale filmmaking without external recorders. Professional workflow. Dual slots and efficient RAW formats make handling massive files seamless for pros. Recommended accessories: high-speed CFX Type B and SD UHS 2 cards, extra EN/EL batteries or external power source, professional Z-mount lenses, prime telephoto, fast SSD storage and backup solutions.